Good morning, this is Bill with Fanatik Bike Co. And I get to play in inventory control most of the days. This is my Revel Ranger. Really stoked about it. Just got this built. It's my first full suspension bike. I chose Revel as a super cool small company out of Colorado doing amazing things with carbon fiber. And I chose their Ranger in particular as I come from an XC background, and this bike gives me that wonderful, super explosive climbing ability, but allows me to go down the Bellingham trails with ease. And it's a size large. I'm just a smidge under 5'10", fits me perfect. And amazing, amazing bike. As I said, it climbs really, really well. The CBF rear suspension is just amazing. Unlocked, it climbs as good as a lot of bikes locked out, and then locked, it's just like a fully rigid hardtail. A few key points on the bike on this build. Just really excited about. I like to work with small companies that do really, really amazing things. A few of which are the Paul Components Company, STEM, and White Industries, headset spacers, bottom bracket, and hubs. Two really cool companies out of California that I've worked with for a while. Chose a 1-up bar. It's one of the few 35 mil clamp carbon bars that has a bit of forgiveness to it, and that works well for me. It's a Shimano XTR drivetrain coupled with a race face SL carbon cranks, tried and true Shimano XT 4-piston brakes. Running along with those White Industries hubs, another small company out of Canada, the WeAre1 Faction rims. Really, really nice. Just super, super feel. Full RockShox SID front rear suspension. Chose a bike yoke, dropper post, 180 mil drop. And yeah, the bike is absolutely amazing. I really, really like it. You should get yourself one. And to do that, I would say jump on our bike builder, because they're loaded there. And if you have any questions, just shoot us an email at sales@fanatikbike.com or give us a call. And happy riding. Thanks for watching. Bye.